Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to solve the given expression. So the expression is 2000 plus 300 plus 70 plus 5 plus 5 upon 10 plus 7 upon 100 plus 1 upon 1000. So 2000 plus 300 will give us 2300. 2300 plus 70 will become 2370, and 2370 plus 5 will become 2375. So we have 2375 plus, now we have to convert these fractions into their decimal form. So 5 upon 10 can be written as 0.500, 7 upon 100 can be written as 0.070, and 1 upon 1000 can be written as 0.001. So let's add up all the decimals. So 2375 plus 0.500 plus 0.070 will give us 0.570, and 0.570 plus 0.001 will become 0.571. Now let's add it with 2375. So we will going to have 2375.571 as our final required answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.